In an age of incredible gadgets, portable Bluetooth speakers rank high up on that incredible scale and takes the music listening experience to a new level. The primary advantage of Bluetooth speakers is its portability, which makes it easy to share music and makes listening to music a social experience with other people wherever you are. Portable Bluetooth speakers enable you to easily and effortlessly listen to music on the move anytime and anywhere. The majority of portable Bluetooth speakers on the market are also lightweight and extremely small, which add to their portability factor. Since portable Bluetooth speakers are also wireless, they also add to its sociability factor. These types of speakers are ideal for outdoor use, since there is no need to bother with cables and adapters. Out camping, at the park, or on a picnic, get the music party going with your Bluetooth speakers. Although portable Bluetooth speakers are small, they pack a big sound. The concert-level quality of sound in the VAVA speaker, for example, can go mano-mano with many larger standard desktop speakers. Another impressive feature of portable Bluetooth speakers are that they are energy efficient. Despite their quality of sound, portable Bluetooth speakers require a low amount of power and consume incredibly lower power. A good Bluetooth rechargeable battery can work non-stop for hours. For example, can play music continuously for up to 10 hours with its rechargeable battery. Not just for playing music. Portable Bluetooth speakers can be used for other functions. For example, can charge up your music playing devices such as smartphones and tablets. Installation requirements are not necessary for portable Bluetooth speakers. They won't need any installations or human intervention to be connected with your source device. Last but not least, anyone on any kind of budget can find a portable Bluetooth speaker that is within the range of what they are able to spend. No doubt, the obvious benefit of wireless speaker is versatility. Wireless speakers are very easy to install as there is no need to run speaker wires or any type of cables from the receiver to the speakers themselves, as they can be added to your existing wireless network within a few seconds. Moreover, the reason is there are no speaker wires present. In this way, they also allow you to get additional freedom when it comes to placement. One primary problem that people suffer from traditional speakers is their wires usually get tangled, and untangling often takes a lot of time and effort that seems frustrating. Bluetooth speakers are designed with that in mind. That's why they are wireless. Thanks for watching. Until next time.